Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple ways to tie your hairs. So make the plaits on the top of the hairs, then take it to the end and then tie the hairs like this. Fold it upward and fix it like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to tie the high ponytail like this. Now after that, take small section on it and make the plaits. Now tie rest of the hairs from the between and then rotate the hairs like this. Fix them into each other and make a bow on the top. Fix it using a rubber band. Spread the hairs from the sides. Remove the extra plaited hairs like this. Divide it and fix it by folding it like this and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs on the side as shown in the video. Now rotate it using the hairstyling tool. Now tie all the hairs, make the plaits and fold it. Next, tie the hairs on the top and then rotate it and make the plaits on the hairs. Now join all the hairs and make the plaits on it. Fix it by folding it upward and tie it like this and it's ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to take the hairs as shown in the video and make a high ponytail. Now take small section of it and make the plaits on it and roll it on the top to fix the hairs. Divide it rest of the hairs and then make the plaits on it. Now fold them together and then tie it from the end. Fix it like this and then put it the hair clips and it's ready. Divide the hairs into small sections using the beautiful rubber bands like this and it's ready. Now further, you have to make a high ponytail as shown in the video. Now take small section of hair on it and then make the plaits on it. Now roll it around the hairs on the top and fix it. Divide the hairs and make the plaits and then roll them together like this. Fix it from the end, put it rubber bands and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs on the side like this, tie it and then rotate it. Make the plaits on it. Now join all the hairs and make the plaits on all the hairs till the end, fix it and it's ready. Thanks for watching.